I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategy, do your own personal research. I mean, you should practice and perfect your trading skill very well before you go fully into it. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier, we will be checking out the assets one after the other. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done that. You can also do the same thing. Now let's move on to the chart right away. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Meoka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. The market started a downtrend right from here, and of course played around there for a while, but once it broke out below it, we all know that it should sell for a very long time, and you can see it sold for a very long time. It's had a little delay around there because of this support zone, and of course try to respect it for a while before breaking out below it. And of course it is approaching the next support zone. If it's unable to break out below the next support zone, then it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, this might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Started a downtrend right from here, and it got to this support zone, and right from here it has started buying. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 was on downtrend before, but played around there for a while, and of course it's going back on buy trend right now since it's unable to break out below the support zone. You can see tried it around there, also tried it around there, so it's unable to break out below it, so it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 actually sold for a while, went back on buy trend, and of course was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. V75 had been on uptrend for a very long time. We can see this, it had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance to pull back a bit, and of course wants to try it out again. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will sell more. Okay, we are expecting it to break out below this support zone whenever it's going back on downtrend fully, and once that happens, then it's going to sell more. But if it should break out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, even though it is at the resistance zone, we are hoping that it breaks out below this support zone so that it can sell more, but if it does not, then it's going to buy more. So you should take note of that. Okay, so we expect it to sell once it breaks out below the support zone. So this is very, very important. Okay, so you should take note of all these and use them wisely whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, do your own personal research, and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give give me thumbs up and share with families and friends, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.